few days earlier.
What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video. What we excited about today, the neglected Silverado is gonna get a totally different thing. I'm in the Silverado right now. It's gonna be changing. It's gonna be some new updates coming to it. I'm so excited for it. We're gonna go ahead, head over there, drop the truck off. I know it's probably gonna take them a couple days. I'm also gonna add some Timbrens. So I'm gonna have Timbrens put in the front, Timbrens in the rear, and then also getting the plow put on the front. So I can't wait. It's gonna be so excited, but let's head over there. Let's get that done and drop it off, and then we'll get back to it. And there it is. This bad boy isn't gonna look anything the same by the time we come to pick it up. So can't wait for you to see it.
Several days later.
Yo, y'all ready to see the Silverado? Check it out. Look at that. Now it's got the plow on the front. Snowdogg. Also had them install the back blades on it. I got the upgraded LED headlights on here. Looks so good. So good. And I also had the Timbrens put on it. So you can also see in there was the Timbrens for the rear. You can see the Timbrens for the front right in there. Just like that, it's back at the crib, baby. It's looking good. Whew. So I did go with an 8-footer. I told y'all some big changes coming to the neglected Silverado, but we still got a couple things we got to take care of on this. Hopefully the snow does not come too soon.
2 days later.
All right, gang, so it's been a couple days. Your boy has had it at the crib, as you can tell. The plow is on the whip. Looks good. It looks amazing. You can see some leaves piling up. Got to get these leaves up out of here. But it's looking a lot better now. Let's take a look at it. We're going to go ahead and use it real quick. Let's get this remote now. So this remote is how you turn it on. So I just turned the truck on. I'm going to press that button one time. It turns green. Press up on it. As you can see, it went up. I'll do it one more time. Press up on it. You can see my little guides up there. Let's go ahead and back it up a bit. Now we can actually see it up front. Got to lift it up. And then we just got these wings here, right? So because it's a straight blade, you just go left or right. So if I press this, left, right. This thing is awesome. 8 feet wide, gets the job done. Comes with a snow deflector, this Snowdogg MDII. Sheesh. This Snowdogg is so nice. I'm so excited to finally have this on the truck. This is definitely gonna take it to the next level. This truck will be more capable, get more things done, especially with the Timbrens. Gonna have to do a review on those as well. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next one. As you know, that snow falls. We're gonna get some videos on this. You guys check that out. Anyways, it's your boy G Kid. We signing out with another one. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough.